Welcome, everyone, to this deep dive into the future of healthcare. Over the next decade, we're poised to witness transformative developments in medical science and technology. Today, we'll explore these advancements, provide specific examples, discuss their accessibility, and analyze their impact on global healthcare systems. We'll use graphs, case studies, and expert insights to visualize these changes. By understanding these developments, we can better prepare to leverage these innovations for the benefit of society as a whole. AI is revolutionizing diagnostics with systems like Google's DeepMind detecting breast cancer with an accuracy surpassing human radiologists. AI is also being used to detect diabetic retinopathy. In its early stages, a significant breakthrough in preventing blindness. AI-powered tools such as Zebra Medical Vision provide instant analysis of X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, enabling early detection of conditions like osteoporosis and lung cancer. Another example is IBM Watson Health, which assists doctors in identifying rare diseases by processing vast data sets of medical literature. AI-driven platforms like In Silico Medicine and Exscientia reduce the time and cost of drug development by identifying viable molecules within weeks instead of years. These tools analyze millions of chemical compounds and predict their effectiveness, significantly accelerating the pipeline for new medications. In 2020, AI discovered a new antibiotic called halicin, which proved effective against antibiotic-resistant bacteria. The global AI healthcare market is projected to grow from $15 billion in 2023 to $150 billion by 2033. With significant investments in diagnostics and personalized medicine. This growth reflects AI's potential to save millions of lives through enhanced precision and efficiency. Platforms like Telehealth are democratizing access to primary care and specialist consultations. By leveraging video conferencing and remote diagnostic tools, these platforms reduce the need for in-person visits and bring healthcare to underserved areas. During the COVID-19 pandemic, telehealth visits surged by 300%, with over 75% of patients expressing satisfaction with remote care. Additionally, rural communities that previously lacked access to specialists saw dramatic improvements in health outcomes. Advanced wearables, like the Apple Watch and Fitbit Sense, monitor vitals such as heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even ECGs. These devices provide early warnings for conditions such as atrial fibrillation and sleep apnea. Future innovations include implantable devices for continuous glucose monitoring, like Eversense CGM, which will revolutionize diabetes management. Beyond diabetes, researchers are developing wearables that monitor hydration levels, stress, and even blood pressure in real time. The Oura Ring tracks sleep and activity patterns, and its data has been used in studies to predict COVID-19 infections up to 3 days before symptoms appear. By 2030, over 60% of the population in developed countries will use telehealth and wearables regularly, leading to a more preventive healthcare model. CRISPR-Cas9 is already curing genetic disorders like sickle cell anemia. Future applications aim to address conditions like cystic fibrosis and Huntington's disease, Advances in base editing, a more precise form of CRISPR, are expanding its potential. Vertex Pharmaceuticals and CRISPR Therapeutics' success with experimental gene therapies for beta thalassemia and sickle cell anemia has given hope to millions suffering from genetic diseases. Researchers are also using CRISPR to develop therapies for inherited blindness. Whole genome sequencing costs have dropped from $3 billion in 2003 to under $200 today, making it feasible for routine clinical use. This advancement enables doctors to tailor treatments based on an individual's genetic profile. Personalized cancer vaccines using mRNA technology target tumors based on individual genetic profiles. In cardiovascular medicine, genomic data helps identify patients who may benefit from specific cholesterol-lowering drugs. The exponential cost reduction paves the way for widespread adoption of genomic testing, potentially revolutionizing preventive medicine by identifying risks before symptoms arise. Researchers at Wake Forest Institute for Regenerative Medicine have successfully 3D printed skin for burn victims. The technology is also being used to create cartilage and bone for orthopedic procedures. In the future, printing functional organs like kidneys and livers could eliminate transplant waiting lists. Researchers are currently working on bioprinting vascularized tissues, a major step toward printing fully functional organs. Stem cells are used to treat macular degeneration and spinal cord injuries, with ongoing trials for Parkinson's disease. In Japan, scientists have used stem cells to create lab-grown heart tissue, offering new hope for heart disease patients. By 2033, the market is estimated to surpass $30 billion, driven by advances in organ printing. This growth is a testament to the technology's potential to address organ shortages and improve surgical outcomes. Systems like the Da Vinci surgical system improve precision and reduce recovery times. These robots allow surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with enhanced accuracy. Nanorobots in development can deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, minimizing side effects. Research is also underway to develop nanorobots capable of repairing damaged tissues at the cellular level. A study of robotic-assisted prostatectomies showed 20% fewer complications and a 30% faster recovery time compared to traditional surgery. Similar results have been observed in robotic-assisted cardiac and gynecological surgeries. Robotic surgeries are expected to account for 50% of all surgeries in developed nations by 2030, reflecting their growing role in improving surgical outcomes. AR platforms like Microsoft HoloLens provide three-dimensional visualizations for medical students to practice procedures. Surgeons use AR to map complex anatomies during operations, enhancing their ability to navigate difficult procedures. VR is used for rehabilitation in stroke patients and exposure therapy for PTSD sufferers. Studies have shown that virtual environments can help patients regain motor skills faster and more effectively than traditional therapy. Investments are projected to grow from $2 billion in 2023 to $20 billion by 2033, driven by advancements in hardware and software. These tools are expected to become integral to both education and patient care. Over the next decade, we will witness unparalleled advancements in healthcare technology. These innovations will improve patient outcomes, streamline medical processes, and shift the focus toward preventive care. However, challenges like equitable access, regulatory hurdles, and ethical considerations must be addressed to ensure that these benefits are universally available. As policymakers, industry leaders, and medical professionals, we have a shared responsibility to bridge the gap between innovation and accessibility. By fostering collaboration and investing in infrastructure, we can ensure these technologies benefit not only the ultra-rich, but also the global middle class.